Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a healthy plum cake. This is Christmas season and plum cake is must for Christmas. So here it is. This is a healthy version of plum cake which I made without maida, refined sugar and alcohol. Very easy to make at home because we don't need to soak any dry fruits. An instant plum cake. Same taste which we get from the bakery. Very easy to make at home. So let's get started. First, I'm going to caramelize the sugar. This is half cup natural brown sugar. I'm adding into a thick bottom pan. Always we have to reduce the flame to the lowest. Otherwise, the sugar may get burned and the caramel syrup will get a bitter taste. So always reduce the flame. We can see the sugar started to melt. At this time we have to stir it continuously. So now the sugar is melted completely. We used brown sugar, that's why the texture is like this. If you are using normal white sugar, it will turn to a honey-like consistency. The color and the consistency will be just like honey. At this time, we are adding 1/4 cup of normal water. We have to be careful at this time because the water may splash on us. Now stir it continuously. We can see some crystals of sugar, but it's okay. After some time, this also will get melt off. So this is done. Now we'll turn off the flame and allow it to cool down. Second, we are going to powder the sugar. This is the brown sugar I am using. This is Amrit natural brown sugar. We are going to powder it. This is 1 cup and I just press it with my fingers. So it is 1 cup tightly packed brown sugar. Into this I am adding 1 clove, 2 cardamoms. I am using only the seeds of the cardamom. I am just throwing the skin. And 1/4 portion of a small nutmeg. Third, we are going to chop some nuts. This is 1/4 cup of cashew nuts. I'm just roughly chopping it. 1/4 cup of almond or badam chopped. 1/4 cup of black raisins or blackcurrant. And 1/4 cup of dates. I'm just de-seeding the dates and I'm roughly chopping it. So all the 3 things are ready. Now let's make the batter. So first we need butter. This is 130 gram of unsalted butter and this is the brand I'm using. I'm using 1 full 100 grams and a 1/3 portion of other 100 grams. So total 130 grams. It should be really soft and it should be in room temperature. Add the powdered sugar into this and first mix it with a spoon. Now we are going to beat this for 2 minutes or until it turns to a light pale color. Now we are adding eggs. Totally we have to add 3 eggs at room temperature but one by one. First add one, then beat well, then the second one and continue. So totally we have added 3 eggs. Now just scrape down the sides and continue beating in high speed for 1 more minute. Adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat well. At this time we can see our batter is little curdled, but it's okay, that is because of the eggs and butter. It is totally normal, don't worry about it. Now we are going to sift our dry ingredients. Into a sieve I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Once again mix well with a spoon. Now add 1½ tablespoon of sifted flour into the chopped nuts. Mix well until the nuts are fully coated with the flour. This will help to prevent the nuts to sink down while baking. Now we are adding the dry ingredients into the wet in 3 addition. First add little flour and little caramel syrup and mix well with a spatula in one direction. Now we are adding the chopped nuts and dry fruits and gently mix into the batter. Now we'll transfer this into the prepared cake tin. This is the cake tin I'm using. It is 7-inch cake tin and I lined with a butter paper on the sides and the bottom also. Actually this is a small cake tin for this batter. If you are using a small cake tin, our cake will get a good height, so I am using this. You can see the consistency of the batter. This is the exact consistency we need. Unlike other cake batter, this cake batter should be thick, then only we'll get a perfect plum cake. Just level it with a spoon or spatula, then give it a good tap to release the extra air bubbles. Just topping the cake batter with some cashew nuts and tutti frutti. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. The baking time depends upon the type of oven and the cake tin we are using. Here I used a smaller one, so I took 40 to 45 minutes. If we are using a wide cake tin, the baking time will be less. So always check after 35 minutes because every oven's temperature would be different. So my cake is baked well. The toothpick inserted in the center also came out clean. So now allow it to cool down completely, then we'll transfer into a plate. Always plum cake would taste better on next day. So if possible, wait for 1 day. The cake has got a very good color. This is because of the caramelized sugar and even it has good height also. Let's cut it and see. The texture is also perfect. It is really soft and moist cake. So during this Christmas, make this healthy cake at home and see how it is. Carry this one to your dear ones. See you again with a new and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.